Hi everyone, this is teacher Karen Perales, and now we are going to tackle about the linear congruence. So what is a linear congruence? A linear congruence is a problem of finding an integer x that satisfies the equation ax is equal to b mod m. Thus, a linear congruence is a congruence in the form of ax is equals to b mod m, where x is an unknown integer. In a linear congruence where x0 is the solution, all the integers x1 or x1 equals x0 mod m. So let us have a linear congruence example. Now, we're going to identify how many solutions and what are the solutions of the following. Number 1. 8x is congruent to 2 mod 10. Number 2 is 8x is congruent to 3 mod 10. In our basis is ax is congruent b mod n has a solution if and only if the greatest common divisor of a and n is a divisor of b. So number 1, 8x is congruent to 2 mod 10. The greatest common divisor of 8 and 10 is 2, which divides 2. Since our greatest common divisor is 2, we will have 2 solutions. Now let's divide 2 sides by 2 over 2. So we have 4x is congruent to 1 mod 5. Now let's get the value of x. So again, we will not divide it by 4 because we will get a fraction. So let's move on to the subtraction and addition, but let's choose the addition, which is 1 plus 5 is equals to 6, 6 plus 5 is equals to 11, 11 plus 5 is equals to 16, until you'll get the number that is divisible by 4 and replace it to the number 1. So we will have 4x is congruent to 16 mod 5. Divide both sides by 4 and we will get x is congruent to 4 mod 5. So 4 is one of the solutions. So let's find the other solution. We will be using the easiest way to find the other value, which is we will simply add 5. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. And our 2 solutions are x is congruent to 4 mod 10 and x is congruent to 9 mod 10. Now, let's move on to our last example, which is number 2. 8x is congruent to 3 mod 10. The greatest common divisor of 8 and 10 is 2. And 2 does not divide 3, so therefore, we have no solution. So let us not force to solve it, because just like in life, we cannot force things that are not meant for us, right? So again, this is Karen Perales, and I hope you learned something from my discussion. That would be all. Thank you for watching.